Hello and welcome everyone to our project Shuttle Service. So let's run the project. So this is our starting screen, Shuttle Service. It is coded by Aman Parikh, Devansh Goyal, Keshav Khandelwal, Madhav Agrawal and Pranav Soni. Press enter to continue. So here we have three options: admin menu, user menu and exit option. Let's go to the admin menu first. The username is admin and the password is also admin. So in admin menu we have five options: revenue, service update, passenger info, change password and to go back. So let's go to service update first. So here also we have five options. So service update basically allows us to modify and make any changes, add bus or remove bus, or to show all the buses that are present. So let's show. So here are three buses right now. The bus numbers are different, like UP16AB 1010, UP16AC 1010 and UP16AD 1010. So they all have their different specifications, like driver name Ramlal, Vinod Kumar and Mukesh, and they all have their different departure time, arrival time, to and from locations, number of seats and fare. So let's press enter to go back. Let's try adding a new bus. So the bus number. So no matter if we enter the bus number in uppercase letters or lowercase letters, it will be converted into uppercase letters. Let's do it UP16 VF1010. Right. Let's keep the driver name as Utkarsh. Mobile number. The number of seats, let's keep it 5. Fare, let's keep it 151 rupees. From, let's keep it Lucknow. The departure time will be 10 a.m. Let's keep it SNU. And the arrival time, let's keep it 1600 hours. So the bus has been added successfully. Let us go back and do show buses. Right, so now we have 4 buses and this is the bus that has been newly added. See, the driver name is Utkarsh, right? Press enter to go back. Now, let us update the bus. So enter the bus number. We'll update the newly added bus. The bus number was UP16BF1010. So the bus has been found and let us enter the new details for it. Let us keep it UP16. Let's keep the number same 1010. Let's keep the driver name as Piyush. Okay, the contact number, let's keep it same. The number of seats will also be the same amount and fare 151 rupees. Let's exchange the locations from, it was Lucknow earlier to SNU. Now it will be from SNU. Departure time 10 a.m. to Lucknow. 1600. Right. So the file has been modified successfully. Alright. So I'll enter 1. So yes, you can see the driver name has been changed to Piyush. There are total 4 buses, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this was the bus that we added and now it has been updated. The from location is SNU and to location is Lucknow. Okay, so it has been updated, and like this we can update any other detail that we want. Now let us remove a bus. We will remove the bus that we just updated. So the bus number was UP16BF1010, right? So the bus number has been found and deleted. Alright. So when I'll do show buses, there are only 3 buses now remaining here. The bus with driver name Piyush has been deleted. So no more data presented to go back. So like this we have seen what show buses does, the update function, add bus, remove bus. Now let us go back and check the revenue function. So what does the revenue function do is the revenue function calculates the total amount that we have earned. So what it basically, it adds up the amount per person for those passengers who have been allocated or are in waiting section at present. So it calculates the revenue that uh, that is according to the number of passengers that are presently in the list. Press enter to go back. So we have done service update, we have done revenue. Let's go to the passenger info. So here are all the passengers that have booked ticket, who are allocated or waiting or have cancelled. Like in this list, the first passenger we have user ID as AP607, bus number this, the name is Aman Parikh, and the status is allocated, right? So the status can be cancelled also if the passenger has cancelled his ticket, and the status can be waiting if the passenger, that is Harshit Sabrawal. So Harshit Sabrawal did try to book his ticket after the total number of passengers that the bus allows were booked. So if the bus allows 5 people, so only 5 of them can book their ticket, and the one coming after them will be the status for him will be waiting. And so we can have 3 persons in the waiting section. Like if the person that has booked the ticket he cancels his or her ticket, so the person in waiting section will be allotted. And if the person comes after there are 3 persons in waiting section, he shall not be allotted or shall not be given any status. So like here we have 17 passengers. So here we have user Aman Parikh and the user ID is AP607. So the person is in the bus UP16AB1010. Okay. So we'll go back now. Now we also have changed password here. Let's try that. The current password is admin in small. Let's keep the new password as shuttle system. Okay, so now when we log in, the username was still admin. The new password is shuttle system. Right? What if we enter the wrong password? Let's try that. Admin. It was previously the password and they are wrong credentials. So let's enter the wrong username. Admin password. They are also wrong credentials, right? So we have the back. Now let's go in the user menu. So we have here 4 options: the new user menu, old user menu, back option and exit option. So now let's try what I was saying. I'll go back in the admin menu, admin system, the passenger info. I'll go here, and here as you can see I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have 4 persons in the bus number UP16AB1010, right? And the bus can only accommodate 5 people. So let's try booking in the bus. User. Let's try for a new user. Enter a user ID. So let's go for 8054. So we have 2 options: book ticket and to go back. Let's book ticket. So we have 3 buses in which we can book ticket, right? So we'll book ticket in the bus number UP16AB1010. UP16AB1010. Right. So name Anthony. Contact number, let's write in it. Alright, 10 digits. Age, let's keep it 40. Gender is male. So the ticket has been booked successfully, right? Press enter to go back. So now Anthony is an old user, right? I'll enter the user ID 8054. The record has been found. So now the old users have 4 options: to book a new ticket, to show their tickets, to cancel their tickets and to go back. I'll do show ticket. Yes, as you all can see, so here is ticket. The name is Anthony. The bus was UP16AB1010. All the details has been recorded here. The status is allotted. So now we know that 5 people have been allotted in the bus number of which is UP16AB1010, right? So we'll go back now. We'll go back and back. Let's check it once again. Admin shuttle system. So the passenger info here. Yes, the user ID here 8054 Anthony, number UP16AB1010. Alright, so in the bus number UP16AB1010 there are 5 people now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and Anthony. So what will happen if a person books 2 tickets? Let us try it with Aman Parikh. So in which bus we will book the ticket of Aman Parikh? Let us see. Let us book it in UP16AD1010. So we have 1 person, 2 person in AD, 3 person, the 4th person in AD, 5th person that has been allocated, the 6th person, and here actually the 1 person has cancelled his ticket, so it will not be counted. So we have 1 person, 2 person, the 3rd person, the 4th person who is allocated, the 5th person who has been allocated. So here's the 6th person in the bus UP16AD1010, but the status is waiting, right? The 7th person and the status is also waiting. Yes, so there are 7 people, 5 of them are booked and 2 are in waiting section. Let's book Aman Parikh in the bus UP16AD1010. Alright, let's go back. User, old user, second option. The ID was AP607. The record has been found. Let's press enter to continue. I'll book a new ticket to the bus number this. Okay. Enter the bus number. The bus number is UP16AD1010. So the details are AMAN Parikh. Contact number, let's keep it 977889970. Right. Age is 19. Gender is male. So the ticket has been booked successfully, but as you can see, the status is waiting. So now we know that in the bus number UP16AD1010, there are 5 people who are booked and 3 people who are waiting. So let's press enter to go back. So let's go to the old user. Aman Parikh was AP607. Let's see the tickets of Aman Parikh. So here is one ticket in the bus UP16AB1010, in which the status is allotted, and here is the another ticket of Aman Parikh in the bus number UP16AD1010, in which the status is waiting. Right, so there are 2 tickets for Aman Parikh, one in which he's been allotted a seat and another in which it is waiting. Let's press enter to go back. So now, let us try to add one more person in the bus number UP16AD1010. As we know, there are 8 people already. What will happen if we try to add one more? So I'll go in the new booking. Enter bus number. So it is also for Aman Parikh. So let's book another ticket for him. So let us book the third ticket for him also. Enter the bus number UP16. The third bus was AD1010. The age is 19, gender male. So as you can see, the bus ticket booking system could not book as the limit has been exceeded. So there are 8 tickets already, 5 which of them are being booked and 3 are waiting. But when the 9th person will come, so the ticket will not be booked. So let's press enter to go back. So now you have seen the new user menu, the old user menu. When we will book the ticket before 5 people, then we will be allocated after 5 people, but before 8th, but before 9th person, we will be in waiting section, and after 8th person, we will not be allocated or will not be in the waiting section. Right. So now let us try. What if a person cancels his or her ticket? Right. First we'll go back. Admin menu. Admin. Shuttle system. So let's go to the passenger info. So let us see the bus UP16AD1010. So yes, here are the buses UP16AD. So this has been cancelled. So this is allotted, this is also allotted, this is also allotted, 3 allotted, 4th allotted, and the 5th allotted. So as you can see in the bus UP16AD1010, Harshit Sabrawal is waiting on the 1st position, and Divyansh Sehgal is the 5th person to book his ticket. So DS680. Right. So we'll cancel the ticket of Devyan Sehgal and check the status of Harshit Sabharwal. Okay, so at present the status is waiting and his status is allotted. So let us do it. So we'll go back. User. First we'll check the ticket, right, of both of them. Old user. Let's see Harshit's ticket. HS14. Got found. Show tickets. So as you can see, the status is waiting for Harshit Sabharwal. Okay. So we'll go back. Old user. Now we'll go for Devyan Sehgal, who was DS680. So we'll do show tickets. So there is a ticket in which the status is allotted. Okay. So now we will cancel his ticket. The bus number was UP16AD1010. So as you can see, the cancellation is successful. Okay, and the status is now cancelled. So press enter to continue. So we'll go back now and see the status of Harshit Sabharwal. Old user HS154. It was in small. Record found. Let's see the ticket of Harshit Sabharwal. So as you can see, the status is automatically allotted. Earlier it was waiting, but when Devyan Sehgal cancelled his ticket, Harshit Sabharwal moved a step up and is now the 5th person whose ticket has been booked. Okay, so now they are not. So the position of Harshit Sabharwal is not 6th, is 5th. Alright, so now go back. So now I think that I have covered everything. So yes, one thing is left. Let's go to the admin menu. Admin, shuttle, system. So one thing we have not tried yet is to add a new bus which have the same number as a previously existing bus. So let's add. So first do show buses. So here are 3 buses. Let's see a number UP16AB1010. Right. So let's add a bus. So now in enter details, I'll write the number UP16. As I had told you earlier that it does not matter if we enter the bus number in uppercase or lowercase. Talking about the alphabets. So now it will be UP16. So it does not matter at all. 1010. So as you can see, the bus is already existing. So a new bus with the same number cannot be created. Let's press enter to go back. So we have covered everything here. Let's go back. And this is the admin menu. Let's change back the password from shuttle system. So what happens if we enter wrong password here? So let's do it. So it is in entered password is wrong, right? The current password is shuttle system. New password, let's keep it admin. So we have covered everything. Admin. It's logging in and we'll go back. So we'll exit. Thank you very much for watching the video.